Welcome to our roundup of the best FPV quadcopter options. Whether you are a beginner exploring the skies for the first time or an experienced pilot chasing high-speed aerial adventures, we have gathered the most exciting, performance-driven FPV drones on the market. These models combine smooth flight control, real-time transmission, and durable designs, perfect for stunning aerial footage or thrilling FPV racing. We'll break down their key specs like camera quality, flight range, transmission performance, and intelligent flight modes to help you choose the right one. Let's take off and discover your next favorite FPV drone. The first on the list is the LZJV-L106-1 Pro. This FPV quadcopter is designed for pilots who want crystal-clear video transmission, stable flight, and long-range control. Equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition dual camera, it captures breathtaking aerial shots with excellent color accuracy and sharpness. The adjustable gimbal allows you to control the camera angle mid-flight, giving you flexibility for cinematic views. Its dual GPS positioning system ensures precise navigation and stable hovering even in windy conditions. The drone's long battery life of up to 28 minutes per charge makes it ideal for extended shooting sessions without interruption. Built with brushless motors, the L106-1 Pro delivers smooth and quiet performance while maintaining high power efficiency. Its 5-level wind resistance allows stable flights, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Overall, the LZJV-L106-1 Pro offers the perfect blend of power, stability, and image quality. Ideal for aerial photographers and FPV enthusiasts seeking a reliable, professional-grade flying experience. Next up is the WDS-Zcam YF V66 FPV Quadcopter. Built with high-end features at an affordable price, this drone brings FPV flying within everyone's reach. Its 8K dual-lens camera provides sharp, cinematic-quality images, while electronic image stabilization ensures smooth and shake-free footage. The wide-angle lens captures expansive views, making every flight visually stunning. Powered by a dual GPS module, the V66 ensures pinpoint positioning and automatic return-to-home functionality to prevent loss. With a flight range of up to 1,200 meters, you can explore vast areas confidently without worrying about signal loss. The drone's aerodynamic design and brushless motor system deliver both speed and control, making it a thrill to fly in open skies. Its 360 degrees obstacle avoidance sensors detect and dodge potential collisions, enhancing safety for beginners and professionals alike. Overall, the V66 stands out as a versatile and high-performance FPV quadcopter that balances image clarity, control precision, and intelligent flight functions for every skill level. Next, we have the Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max, a premium FPV quadcopter designed for professionals seeking exceptional flight stability and camera precision. Featuring a 6K UHD camera with 3-axis mechanical stabilization, it captures incredibly steady and cinematic footage. Its large sensor provides brilliant detail and color accuracy, even in low light conditions. The 5G HD transmission system delivers real-time video feedback with minimal delay, giving you a truly immersive FPV experience. A maximum flight distance of 2 kilometers makes it a standout choice for long-range exploration and high-altitude photography. Powered by a high-capacity battery, the Z908 Pro Max can stay airborne for up to 35 minutes, letting you focus on creative shots without constant recharging. Overall, the Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max excels in both performance and reliability, delivering stunning footage and smooth control, making it a top pick for professionals and hobbyists who demand premium quality. Next on the list is the Jizaev V168 Max LCD Screen FPV Drone. This feature-packed quadcopter is built for those who want complete control and real-time visibility during flight. It comes with a built-in LCD controller display, allowing you to view live FPV footage without relying on a smartphone. The integrated 4K HD dual camera captures vivid aerial images and videos from multiple perspectives, giving your footage a cinematic edge. Thanks to 5G transmission technology, live video remains sharp and delay-free up to impressive distances. The V168 Max features GPS positioning and optical flow stabilization, ensuring accurate flight paths and steady hovering. Overall, the Jizaev V168 Max combines intelligent technology, ease of use, and high-end features, making it an excellent option for pilots who want full control and stunning FPV visuals straight from the remote controller. The last one on our list is the Xiaomi i1 Pro FPV drone. This drone is perfect for users who want portability and professional-level performance. Equipped with a 6K camera and electronic image stabilization, it ensures every aerial shot is crisp and shake-free. The camera's wide dynamic range enhances image detail in varying light conditions. With dual GPS and 5G HD transmission, Pilots can enjoy ultra-stable real-time video streaming over long distances without lag or interference. The flight time of up to 33 minutes makes it ideal for capturing extended footage or covering large areas. The i1 Pro features intelligent flight assistance modes such as Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Return to Home, which enhance the flying experience while ensuring safety. Overall, the Xiaomi i1 Pro is a perfect blend of portability, precision, and performance, offering stunning visuals and smooth handling for FPV pilots who want professional results without the bulk. So, that wraps up our roundup of the best FPV quadcopters available right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech and gadget reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!